What temperature do I cook a pre-cooked spiral ham?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to properly heat a pre-cooked spiral ham. These hams are an excellent choice for festive occasions, family gatherings, or just a special meal at home. However, it's essential to heat them properly to ensure the best taste and texture.
Why is proper heating important?
Even though your spiral ham is already cooked, heating it is crucial for a couple of reasons. Firstly, warming the ham enhances its flavor. Secondly, it ensures that the meat is at a safe temperature for consumption. We're aiming for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, according to food safety guidelines.
How do I heat my pre-cooked spiral ham?
Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to heat your pre-cooked spiral ham. 1. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. It's a relatively low temperature because we want the ham to heat slowly, ensuring it stays juicy and doesn't dry out. 2. Place your ham in a roasting pan, cut side down. This helps to keep the ham moist as it heats. 3. Cover the ham tightly with aluminum foil. This helps to lock in moisture and prevent it from drying out. 4. Calculate your cooking time. Generally, you should aim for about 12 to 15 minutes per pound. For example, if your ham weighs 10 pounds, you'll want to heat it for approximately 2 to 2.5 hours. 5. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. Remember, we're aiming for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Stick the thermometer into the thickest part of the ham without touching the bone.
What about glazing?
If you want to add a glaze to your ham, you should do this in the last 15 to 20 minutes of heating. Remove the ham from the oven, apply your glaze, and then return the ham to the oven uncovered. This allows the glaze to caramelize without burning. And there you have it. That's how you properly heat a pre-cooked spiral ham. Remember, the goal is to heat the ham slowly and to a safe internal temperature. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you success in your ham heating endeavors. Enjoy your delicious, juicy ham.